At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first tablets for college student by Apple is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. The Retina display is the most gorgeous screen we've ever seen on a tablet. Compatibility with Apple Pencil means you can use it to write notes or draw. It's got wireless charging and facial recognition. Here are the cons. It's expensive. Some consider 12.9-inch a bit large and unwieldy. The Best Reviews bottom line. Apple's biggest iPad is the king of the hill with enough speed, space, and flexibility to support any student. It's expensive but worth every penny. We rated this Amazon tablets for college student as our best value pick. Here are the pros. It's got expandable storage, it comes in multiple colors, and it includes Amazon's digital assistant, Alexa. So you can use voice commands. Here are the cons. It's not the fastest tablet on the block, so it might not be the best for intense work like writing documents or crunching spreadsheets. The Best Reviews bottom line. The Fire HD8 is the little tablet that could. It's fast enough for note-taking, streaming, and browsing, and it blows away most of the competition at this price point. The next tablets for college student by Samsung is our third top pick. Here are the pros. The 10.5-inch AMOLED screen is stunning. The speakers are surprisingly good, and it lives up to its battery life promises, and at 0.88 pounds, it's also one of the lightest tablets around. Here are the cons. There's no headphone jack, so you'll need Bluetooth headphones. It doesn't work with Samsung's own S Pen. Not great for gaming. The Best Reviews bottom line. The Galaxy Tab S5e is one of our favorite Android tablets because it's both a laptop killer and impossibly thin. It's affordable and powerful with impressive battery life. A must for Android fans. We ranked this Samsung tablets for college student as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. Has a 7-inch display screen and 8 GB of storage space with an SD slot for memory expansion. Boasts an impressive 9 hours of battery life per charge. We love its lightweight and thin design for convenient mobility. Here are the cons. Doesn't have a front-facing camera. The Best Reviews bottom line. A lightweight, sleek tablet for a student on the go. Good for keeping in touch with family and friends, entertainment, and games. This tablets for college student by Apple is our final top pick. Here are the pros. It's got the A12 CPU on board, the same chip used in larger iPads. Both front and back cameras take incredible photos. It's fast and light, and it comes in multiple colors. Here are the cons. It's much more expensive than other 7-inch tablets. It uses lightning cables instead of USB-C like all iPads. There's no way to expand a local file storage. The Best Reviews bottom line. Apple's smallest tablet is no slouch, and it delivers the speed, quality, and flexibility the company's known for, all in a smaller package. If you're looking for the most powerful 7-inch tablet around, this is it.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.
Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a light review, pardon the pun, on the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. I recently ordered this because I still own, believe it or not, a Galaxy Tab S. Not S2, S3, S4. I actually own a Galaxy Tab S. Here it is in all of its glory. It still runs great. A bit slow, especially compared to today's tech, but it's, I enjoy it. So, but I wanted to get something a bit faster that was running the latest version of Android. So, they stopped supporting the Galaxy Tab S several years ago. So, I needed to upgrade. So anyway, I ordered a Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and also a Galaxy Tab S6. I wanted to do a comparison between the two, but the S6 hasn't arrived yet. So the S6 Lite will be the first one. So we're gonna unbox this guy. I'm not a real big unboxing video proponent. I don't watch them, and I definitely don't record them. This is actually the first one I've ever done, but so here it is. We've got all kinds of goodies in here. This particular model comes with the book cover, not the type cover, the book cover. I'm not even sure if they make a type cover for the Lite. The S6 that I ordered does come with the type cover. This is the official Samsung book cover, so which has a slot here for the pen. So we'll take a look at that in a bit. And this is the actual tablet in all of its glory. The S6 series is basically an all-metal chassis. And beautiful glass, has a very small bezel. I don't know if you can see the bezel is actually right there. It doesn't have a hole punch camera. It has just a camera in the bezel there, and the Lite has a single camera in the back, unlike the S6, which has a dual camera system. Yeah, it's a beautiful piece of hardware. The box also contains the charger, which is a doesn't say that it's a rapid charger, so looks like it's 5 volts, 1.55 amp, so it looks like it's just a standard charger, so it's a low charger. There's your SIM key, and here is the infamous S Pen. Oh, stuff is falling off my light. This is what all the S devices are known for. Well, actually, I'm sorry. This is what the Note devices are known for. I actually have a Note 4 and a Note 8, but Samsung started adding S Pens to everything under the sun. So I don't know if they're going to be doing away with the Note devices. I mean, I know they're releasing a Note 20, but who knows? Anyway, they're adding the S Pen, which I'm sure probably has slightly less capable than the one that comes with the S6 non-light version, but we'll know for certain. We'll know for certain once I have that one to test with. Now, as you saw, I just unboxed this guy, so I have not powered it on. Actually, we'll do that in a second. Let's put it inside the case here so we protect it. We can get this off. And see if we can get this off here. It's kind of sticky. So I'm just going to pause this while I get it mounted. Samsung likes its magnets. It looks like the device actually just the case magnetically adheres to the back of the tablet. You can actually feel the magnetic pull, so kind of interesting. The pen also magnetically adheres to this little slot. And then it magnetically snaps shut, so I'm assuming it will auto turn the screen on and off as you open this up. Now, like I said, I haven't powered this on yet, so we'll do that, but I'll probably do a separate video for that. Pretty straightforward. Everything magnetically connects, and it's a beautiful, beautiful design. Has power, volume rocker. There's a speaker there, and a microphone, headphone jack, USB-C port, another speaker, and then because it's magnetic, see, you have two, actually it's got little images here, I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's image there and there that kind of shows the angles, so you can have it at those two angles, more straight up and down and more angled this way. And these magnets are very strong, so you can even have it, like, you know, angled this far down and it still stays in place. So probably using some kind of neodyme magnets to hold this sucker in place, but it is definitely strong. This little slot here is for your SD card. In this particular version, the S6 Lite actually holds up to 1 terabyte of micro SD additional storage, so that's good. It does only come with the dual speakers, as I showed you, and it's a octa-core 2.3 gigahertz and a, well, quad core 2.3 gigahertz and a quad core 1.7 gigahertz with 4 gigs of RAM. So it's a pretty good spec. It's a upper mid level tablet. So it's not going to obviously be as powerful as the S6, but it is pretty close, and it looks like it's probably about the approximate size, even though the actual screen resolution is a little bit lower than the actual S6. But for those of you that are wanting to only spend half as much money, this is a better option. So there you go. I hope this helps you in your choice of tablets, at least knowing what it looks like. I hope this helps you make a decision, and at least seeing what's in the packaging and what this particular tablet looks like. All right, we'll catch you next time.